Welcome back again to Artist Tuesdays. Today I'm going to talk about a young man. His name is Raleigh Avery. He's a knife maker.
Hi, I'm Raleigh Avery with Avery Knife Works. I am a bladesmith. I make knives for the kitchen, the outdoors, hunting, camping, many different uses. I've been making knives for going on 8 years now. I went to a summer camp in the mountains of North Carolina and learned blacksmithing. The person who taught me was an excellent knife maker, so that's the path I went down. I went home, I built myself a forge, started forging on my own. I started making knives at home when I was 15 and just started selling them so I could buy new tools, so I could improve my process and improve my product. And now it's my full-time business. I have 2 people working with me, helping me make and sell the knives. We do some events throughout the year, and we have a showroom full-time in Banner Elk, North Carolina. I've got a lot of the knives that I make here in front of me. The ones you're looking at now are hunting knives. They're great utilitarian knives for the outdoors. I also have some kitchen knives with me. They are for everything in the kitchen. They're culinarily inspired. They're stainless and carbon steel. Everything I do is in carbon steel so that it holds a good edge. And a lot of the steels that I use are also stainless, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or rust over time. I've got one here in front of me that I'm particularly fond of. It's a Purple Heart camp knife. So this is a high carbon steel. This is 1095. It's a really common knife making steel. It's got great edge retention and toughness. This is a really thick knife, so it's fantastic for camp applications. You can do everything from chopping firewood to some cooking around the campsite with this knife. The Purple Heart is a really stunning wood. This is the heart, or the interior heartwood of the Purple Heart tree. It's this really vibrant purple. That's its natural hue. It doesn't have any kind of chemicals or anything added to it. The only thing that makes it a little more vibrant is sunlight. So this is one that I'm fond of, and I think it came out really nice. And they all come with sheaths that I also handcraft, leather and Kydex sheaths. Here's a raw leather sheath. This is not dyed. This has not had anything done to that leather except for the edges. They're sealed up and painted so it doesn't rot and wear away over time. But that's just a little bit about me and my knives. If you want to see them, you can see them online at averyknifeworks.com, or you can come into my showroom in Banner Elk, North Carolina, or see us at some of the events that we do throughout the year. So thanks for listening, and I hope you get to see some of my knives in person.